In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Surveymonkey for free and give you an overview of the basic plan. Whether you're an individual looking to gather some simple data or a small organization managing a limited budget, understanding how to maximize Surveymonkey's free plan can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into the specifics of what's included in this basic plan and what limitations you might encounter. When you sign up for Surveymonkey's basic plan, you have the ability to create unlimited surveys. This is great if you're someone who frequently needs to gather feedback or collect information from different groups of people. However, it's important to note that while you can make as many surveys as you like, each individual survey is limited to just 10 questions. This means you'll need to be concise and thoughtful about the questions you choose to ask. Surveymonkey's free plan offers you the chance to collect responses, but there is a cap on how many responses you can view for each survey. You'll be able to see up to 25 responses per survey, sometimes going up to 40 or even 100, depending on the source of the responses. If you're planning to gather more substantial amounts of data, you might need to consider upgrading your plan in order to access all the responses. The basic plan does provide a reasonable variety of question types. You'll have access to basic formats like multiple-choice questions, checkboxes, drop-down menus, and open text fields. These are perfect for most straightforward surveys. However, if you're looking for more advanced question types, piping, logic flows, or custom branding, you'll need to explore the paid options. Additionally, under the free plan, exporting your survey results to Excel or PDF formats won't be possible, as exporting is a feature reserved for paid subscribers. One thing to keep in mind is that if you start on a paid plan and then downgrade to the basic plan, you might find that certain advanced settings become locked. For example, you might be restricted from copying surveys that have more than 10 questions or applying complex logic to your questions. Editing these advanced settings could also be limited after the downgrade. Lastly, there's been some discussion among users, particularly on forums like Reddit, about the actual number of responses you can view before needing to upgrade. While the official number states up to 25 responses are visible, some users have mentioned that the cap could be around 40 in some cases, provided the responses don't originate from premium features. It's always a good idea to keep an eye on these nuances to make sure you're making the most of your free account. That wraps up our guide on using Surveymonkey's free basic plan. Understanding its functionalities and constraints will help you make an informed decision and get the most out of your surveys. Thanks for tuning in, and happy surveying.